Good afternoon, traders. I have Apple by request. Now, I will tell you at this very first pass, this is going to be what we call a neckline. He's coming right up there right now. The other resistance would be the top of that channel, traders, and that would fill in the gap, and Apple would go back up to 178. Now, when I zoom in over here so you can see the depth of the trend, now let's talk about Apple. Is Apple overbought or not? Right now, Apple is getting in the overbought zone no matter what. It's been a remarkable rally. They came out with their earnings. They were so. Let me just tell you, bad news is good news, okay? But now we're taking a look at how overbought Apple really is. Apple can move higher, and it can. And it can move right up to the top of that channel before it really gets super 100% overbought. That is if it makes it. We'll take a look at that neckline once again. That's going to be 175.12 traders. If we have a reversal, Apple will not go down real fast. There are other stocks that are more overbought that will be ready for that pullback, and you can short those, and you can buy the put options on those, and you can make money with those. This has been the leader in the NASDAQ 100, as it always is. It's always viable as we bought it down here. You want to talk about cheap? Oh, my goodness. That was cheap. We bought it several times on the way up, and we sold it. But that is the crown up there at 178. Now we know 175. We're at 171. 175 will put that into a more phase two overbought.